Welcome back, chat. And if you are an Indigo child, welcome home. Today we're diving into a thought-provoking topic that challenges our perception of reality itself. Whether you're a firm believer in a spherical Earth, a flat Earth advocate, or somewhere in between, your views are respected here. We're not here to change minds or point fingers, just to explore some fascinating ideas and information. So grab a cup of your favorite beverage and let's embark on this intellectual journey together. Now, you might be wondering, what in the world is cheilontic science and how does it relate to the shape of our planet? Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to take a wild ride through some mind-bending concepts. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. The flat Earth theory has been gaining traction in recent years, but did you know it has some pretty ancient roots? Yep, we're talking occult teachings and fallen angels, kind of ancient. Wild, right? But here's where it gets really interesting. According to cheilontic science, the flat Earth model is actually part of something called the Atlantean conspiracy. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi novel, doesn't it? But stick with me here. This theory suggests that certain extraterrestrial groups like the Anunnaki, remember them from your ancient Sumerian studies, have been feeding us a mix of fact and fiction through various means throughout history. It's like the cosmic version of fake news. Now, I know what you're thinking. But what about all those flat Earth maps? Well, here's a juicy tidbit for you history buffs. Apparently, some of those maps were created by certain groups to scare off competing traders at sea. Talk about next-level business tactics. But let's get to the meat and potatoes of why cheilontic science suggests the Earth isn't flat. Ready for some mind-bending stuff? Here we go. The firmament isn't just a dome, but a spherical layer around a globe Earth. It's controlled by something called a derma net inside the Earth's mantle. How cool is that? The mechanics of stargates and wormholes rely on spheres within spheres. I don't know about you, but that sounds way more exciting than a flat disk. Our DNA and chakra systems are said to link to deep space. How would that work with a flat Earth model? Now, I can almost hear some of you asking, but what about gravity? How does that fit into all this? Great question. The cheilontic model actually has some pretty fascinating ideas about how gravity works in relation to these spherical energy fields. It's mind-boggling stuff. But here's the kicker. All this talk about spheres and energy fields isn't just abstract theory. It relates to practical concepts like protective shielding protocols for our DNA. Pretty far out, huh? Now, I know we've covered a lot of ground here, pun intended, and you might be feeling a bit overwhelmed. That's okay. The important thing is that we're asking questions and exploring different ideas. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a thought to ponder. Regardless of the shape of our planet, isn't it amazing that we can have these discussions and challenge our understanding of reality? That's the real treasure here, folks. So whether you're Team Sphere, Team Flat, or Team I have no idea what's going on, thanks for sticking with me through this wild ride. Remember, we're not here to change beliefs, just to present information and get those mental gears turning. Come back soon for more thought-provoking content that'll make your brain do backflips on a flat or round Earth. Your choice. Until then, keep questioning, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep being awesome. Peace out, Earth dwellers.